Hey guys, welcome to the last episode of the channel. So last time I've showed you the unboxing video of the Pico dragon from the Island store, and now I do the makeup tutorial, and I would like to show you how I'm processing it within 1 to 2 hours, and hope you can use it as a sample if you like. So this is the Pico dragon after putting all the parts together. And first of all, if you want to do the makeup, you need to remove the head part and prepare some too. This is the acrylic in white color, 2 color pencil in pink and black, some brushes and a spongy, and also a Mr. Super Clear, which is a varnish. You may need also some pastels. So before it, you need to give some varnish on the face surface to protect it and remove the eyes. And after that, I use a cutter or simply just it is a crystal to help you remove some powder, so you can use the brush to dip it and easily paint the face of the Pico dragon. I use some red color to make it cuter. Yeah. And also the nose, you can make it a little bit pinky, just like some runny nose, or just simply make it look more kawaii. And after that, use some blue color and test it on the paper. And then you can use a sharper brush to make some eyeshadow, just like how you do it on your own face. It's just like human makeup tutorial, but it just put to the BJDs. And some cotton wrapped, some cotton stick may help you to spread out the pastels color if you find it not natural enough. Also brush the edge to give out some 3D effects. I brush it in a triangular way, you can see it. And then use the spongy whenever you want to spread brush some large surface. I use it to brush the forehead. And whenever making a mistake that you don't want, then you can use some water to clean it. But be careful, don't use any alcohol, because I tried it before and it just destroyed the whole surface that I put some varnish before it. And remember to brush the concave area, as some shadows you can see. I use the blue color because it is similar to the purple one, and I'm doing some enhancement about some color adjustment. And then some blue pastel for the upper lips. For the lower lips, you can just simply brush it with the red color, just if you want, and you can use other colors. And I highlight some pink for the horns, which is the ear part. And black color pencil is for the eyeliner. Sorry for the hand for covering the camera because it is hard to adjust the angle suddenly. And I know some clips from this video may look blur, but because hard to focus all the time, sorry about that. And for now I am doing some patterns for the head part with white acrylic. You can design your own because I'm just drawing during thinking. I didn't make any preparation before, and just kind of write the pattern on whenever I want. And if you can't think of any patterns during the process, you may refer to some Zentangle artwork that helps a lot and make it more elegant or looks complicated for the patterns, but it actually is not that hard if you have some reference. And point to reflective light with the white acrylic color on the cheek. Now for the body part, do some similar steps. Now I'm using the red pastel to brush the red part. For some hands and some, just as I mentioned, the concave areas, you can use blue to do some shadowing. Also the wings, some shadowing with the blue pastel on the upper part. And for the lower part, you can give it some red color to show a difference. After all, the tail is in a red color. If you've done all the parts, all the body's brushing, then you can use the white acrylic again. Just this time, remember, use a tiny brush and dip some paint on the tip of the brush and paint the flags and also all nails. Choosing a tool is very important because if your brush is not tiny enough, it is hard to handle it or control it when you need to draw some little things for the body. And I'm drawing the patterns again without a clear direction, but I try to balance the right hand side and the left hand side. A reflective look. So this is I finished all the makeup and hope you like it. And I took a picture of her and also my other dog Bishan. And thanks for watching this video. If you like it, you can thumbs up. Thanks.